What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Man, myself, I'm doing all right, son. I'm doing all right, son. I'm doing all right. Now, man, today, man, we go Holy 10 back on the channel, son. Holy 10, what's going on with you, boy? Man, you just be out there running your mouth, son. Keep talking about the goat, Winky D, man. Like it's Christmas, son. What's going on with you, son? Now, today we go Holy 10, man, continuing to I don't know, to slam Winky D, if you will, man. You let me know your take on what he has to say, man. Now, I got this clip right here, man, from Hopewell. The journalist Hopewell Chingono. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, son. Chingono or something like that. You know what I mean? And he also be just dismayed by what Holy 10 has to say, man. And he be saying, my brother Holy, stop player hating, son. Stop player hating. Hopewell, I didn't know you were down in the streets like that, man. Winky D has been doing this music thing for decades. So you might learn something from engaging with him without dissing him. Winky D is bigger. That is why everyone was happy to see him give you an opportunity to duet. Now you got that right, man. Everybody was happy about that. But Holy 10, man, you just be out there running your mouth, son. Show some respect. Show some respect. So Hopewell finishes his sentiments by saying, show some respect to Winky D, Holy 10. Respect to the gaffer, son. I kind of agree with that notion, Holy 10, man. Why don't you just keep quiet, son? Why you gotta keep talking about this stuff, man? How you did not like the collaboration, Ibotso, you were ambushed, you felt like, wow, now you be there calling Winky D, Winky G, son. How you gonna call him Winky G? The disrespect, man. Alright, man. You guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. It's your boy Bless. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to share, like, subscribe. My name is Bless, y'all, and I'm out.
At any point, did you feel like it might have been a setup?
It can't have been a setup.
It can't have been a setup.
It can't have been a setup. Because at the end of the day, even the snake, I'm going to tell you, the man that you're talking about is a snake longer than his dreadlocks. But even the serpent, that apple, that became a global disaster, did not force it into his mouth.
Yeah.
She was involved.
She was involved.
He spoke and she made the decision.
Yeah.
So
you are Eve in this context.
I'm Eve.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's why I didn't graduate.
Yeah. With your positioning, then you feel like you shouldn't have done that particular feature, that particular song. You would have preferred it to be another song with a different message.
I would have never done a song with Winky G.
And Winky G. Yeah.
That's me avoiding to be sued. I'm not stupid.
Yeah.
I've done law.
Yeah.
We signed contracts.